Just a minute. Now, am I audible? Am I audible now? All right. Okay. So, all right. So, kids, we are talking about body parts. So, get your GK copy. Today, we are going to write different body parts. So, I am telling you, okay, as we all know, we all are having one body. हम सबके पास एक body है ना? And in that body, we are all are having different parts. हमारी body में अलग-अलग parts हैं, like eyes, ears, hands, fingers, nose, teeth, tongue. There are so many parts. So all those parts, all these parts are having different functions. जितने भी हमारे body parts हैं, उन सभी के different functions हैं. Like eyes helps us to see, ears helps us to hear, nose helps us to smell. है ना? Like this, we are having different body parts and all are having different functions. So in our GK copy today, we are going to write the names of few body parts. आज हम कुछ body parts के नाम लिखेंगे हमारी GK copy में. So get your GK copy and write down today's date, 18 October 2021. 18 October 2021. Write down. Ishani, are you listening to me? Get your GK copy and write down today's date. Acha, one more thing, parents pay attention. As tomorrow is the holiday, so day after tomorrow on Wednesday, I'm going to take the English test of position words, prepositions, in, under, on and above. Okay, in the same way जो हमने copy में करा है उसी तरह से you have to look at the picture and you have to fill the blanks. All right, on Wednesday I am going to take the English test of position words, prepositions. Okay. Okay, Pakhi. But ma'am, whenever you get time now, ask her to write in that copy also. ठीक है, ताकि आपको पता रहे कि जीके का पोर्शन क्या है. All right. चलो बच्चों, write down today's date in your GK copy 18/10/2021 and then write down the heading, names of body parts. Names of body parts. Names of body parts. Let's start. Start करें. Come on. The first one, we start from the top. We start from the top. The first one is head. हमारा सर, head. ठीक है? कहां पर है आपका head? Here, our head. Yes. So H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. नंबर टू इज नेक. नेक मतलब होता है आपकी गर्दन, आपका गला. नेक. ओके, नेक. दिस इज अवर नेक. सो NECK, neck. Neck. NECK, neck. Neck मतलब गर्दन, हमारा गला. Number three is leg. Leg तो you all know, leg मतलब पैर, leg. So LEG, leg. Head, neck, leg. Number four is hands. Number four are your hands. Hands मतलब हमारे हाथ. Hands. Her hands. 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 Our hands help us to write, to eat, to do different activities. Head, neck, leg, and hands. Now, number fifth are our fingers. हमारी fingers, हमारी उंगलियां, fingers. So, हाँ, listen, जो भी बड़ी spellings होती हैं, the long spellings, you can break it down and then read. ठीक है? जैसे fingers, fing. So, FIN, fin. Okay, then girls, GERS, fingers, fingers. FIN, fin, GERS, girls, fingers. Fingers. Okay. Then as I don't have a space here, so that's why I'm writing it here. Then feet. 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 Feet मतलब हमारे जो पैर होते हैं नीचे के, feet. हमारा पंजा, feet. Okay. FEET. 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 This we had learned in our double E sound words also. Feet. 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 Then 7. Number 7 is nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Number 8 is teeth. T-double-E-T-H. Teeth. हमारे दांत. Teeth. T-double-E-T-H. Teeth. Teeth. Now, number 9 is lips. हमारे होंठ, lips. So, the spelling is very simple. L-I-P-S. Lips. Lips. And number 10 is our eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Yes. Sir, two ways are there for writing N, capital N. एक capital N बहुत सी बार ऐसे भी लिखते हैं, like this and like this also. So both the formation you can follow. All right? So, come on, let's read it one more time. Head, neck, leg, hands, fingers, then feet, nose, teeth, lips, and eyes. Okay, now title of the English rhyme is Five Lovely Flowers. Okay, it is in your rhyme book on page number 3030. It is all about the 5 flowers that are growing in a line. Start kare. Start kare. Let's start. Let's start. 5 lovely flowers growing in a line. How many flowers are there? 5. Okay, chalo start. 5 lovely flowers growing in a line. One got no water, so that's what no fine. Again, 5 lovely flowers growing in a line. One got no water, so that was not fine. आपको पता है ना कि प्लांट्स को भी पानी की जरूरत होती है. They also need water to grow. तो जो पहला फ्लावर था उसको पानी नहीं मिला, है ना? तो पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो क्या होगा? वो मर जाएगा. Okay, चलो let's start again. Start. 5 lovely flowers growing in a line. One got no water, so that was not fine. Now how many flowers are left? 4. 4 flowers, है ना? Now 4 lovely flowers growing in a line. The sun was too hot. That was not fine. Now, how many flowers are left? One is तो dead because of water and एक मुरझा गया because of sun. अब कितने flowers बचे? Yes, 3 flowers. 3 flowers. How many flowers left? 3. Okay, start. Now, 3 lovely flowers growing in a line. A bug at one and that was not fine. बग मतलब कीड़े. आपको पता है ना, बहुत सी बार जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं, जो कीड़े होते हैं, वो प्लांट्स को, फ्लावर्स को खा जाते हैं, बाइट कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो थर्ड नंबर वाले फ्लावर के साथ यही हुआ. स्टार्ट. 3 lovely flowers growing in a line. A bug ate one up, so that was not fine. Now how many flowers left? 2. Yes. Start. Now 2 lovely flowers growing in a line. The gusty wind bent out, so that was not fine. Gusty wind मतलब जो तेज हवा चलती है, उसमें वो जो फ्लावर है वो निकल गया, गिर टूटकर गिर गया. ओके, ऑलराइट. गस्टी विंड मतलब तेज जो विंड चलती, जो हवा चलती है. तो फोर्थ नंबर वाला फ्लावर जो है उसको उसने उखाड़ दिया, उसे निकाल दिया बाहर. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ मेनी फ्लावर्स आर लेफ्ट? ओनली वन. सबसे फर्स्ट वाले को तो पानी नहीं मिला. सेकंड वाले में सूरज बहुत गर्म था, बहुत ज्यादा तेज था, तो वो मुरझा गया. थर्ड वाले फ्लावर को बग ने ईट कर लिया, इंसेक्ट ने खा लिया. एंड फोर्थ वाला जो फ्लावर था उसको क्या हुआ? उसको तेज हवा ने गिरा दिया. ओके, नाउ हाउ मेनी फ्लावर्स लेफ्ट? ओनली वन फ्लावर. सो that leaves one lovely flower growing all alone. Soon it will be brightest in that town. All right. Okay, chalo, we are going to sing this rhyme daily. So you are going to learn it. Now we have to do our maths work also. So everyone get your mathematics copy. We have to write reverse counting in our maths copy, है ना? चलो. So we have to write reverse counting from 8080 to 5151. So kids, in your today's date, 18/10/2021. Reverse counting. Write down the heading, reverse counting. Reverse counting. Okay, so we start the counting from 8080 to 5151. Reverse counting, so you all know backward counting, matlab ulti counting. ठीक है? So first of all, write down the heading, then I am going to erase it. Okay. So first of all, we have to write T and O. So T stands for tens and O stands for ones. TO. So we start from 8080. Everyone, you have to read it first and then write. Come on, read it. 8080. Loudly, everyone. I'm looking at every one of you. 8080. 7979. 7878. Say and write. 7777. Then 7676. 7, 5, 75. Then 7, 4, 74. After that, 7, 3, 73. 7, 2, 72. And 7, 1, 71. 8, 0, 80. 7, 9, 79. 7, 8, 78. 7, 7, 77. 7, 6, 76. 7, 5, 75. 7, 4, 74. 7, 3, 73. 7, 2, 72. And 7, 1, 71. Now, after 7, 1, 71 in reverse counting, 7, 0, 70. Then 6, 9, 69. 6, 8, 68. 6, 7, 67. Now after 67, 6, 6, 66. Say and write, everyone. Say and write. Then 6, 5, 65. After 6, 5, 65 in reverse counting, 6, 4, 64. Then 6, 3, 63. 6, 2, 62. And 6, 1, 61. Chalo, let's say it together. 7, 0, 70. 6, 9, 69. 6, 8, 68. 6, 7, 67. 6, 6, 66. 6, 5, 65. 6, 4, 64. 6, 3, 63. 6, 2, 62. And 6, 1, 61. Okay, Shreyash. Now, after 6, 1, 61, 6, 0, 60. है ना, as we are writing backward counting. So 61 के बाद आएगा 60. Then 5, 9, 59. 5, 8, 58. 5, 7, 57. 5, 6, 56. Then 5, 5, 55. 5, 4, 54. After 5, 4, 54. 5, 3, 53. 5, 2, 52. And 5, 1, 51. All right. 60, 60, 59, 59, 58, 58. Come on, say 57, 57, 56, 56, 55, 55, 54, 54, 53, 53, 52, 52, and 51, 51. All right. Come on. Start. The school is over for us today. Done our work. Done our play. Before we go, we come to say, thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. All right. Bye-bye, kids. Bye. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, everyone.